Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price action is highly volatile, oscillating sharply and targeting both sides up and down. However, it continues its gradual ascent following Wednesday's dip to approximately 112.5 thousand. According to the long-wave methodology on higher timeframes, this level may still be significant, but confirmation is still awaited. Today, price action is gradually reclaiming important levels. After regaining the yellow dotted line at 113,700, Bitcoin attempted to move higher but is now testing the blue zone at around 114,500. The initial attempt to push through this area has been met with resistance, sending price back toward the yellow dotted level at 113,700. From a structural perspective, Bitcoin needs to establish clear support here before making another attempt higher. If this area holds, the next upside checkpoints to watch are around 114,700, followed by 115,700, 116,300, and eventually the 119,800 region. A decisive reclaim of these zones could place Bitcoin back on track to continue its strong August trajectory. However, despite starting the month in positive territory, we currently sit at roughly minus 1.58% in terms of monthly returns. Looking at the heat maps for potential liquidity areas, the one-day view highlights a significant region around 114,800, while a larger cluster forms around 112,000. On the 3-day chart, attention shifts to approximately 117,300, and the one-week heat map highlights the 119,500 area as the next significant zone above. In the short term, a possible revisit toward 112,000 cannot be ruled out. Such a move could reset local conditions and prepare price action for an attempt toward higher levels, potentially aligning with the broader zones between 117,000 and 119,000. Checking ETF inflows for the 20th of August, we can see a net outflow of around $315 million across the main products. Most issuers recorded moderate red days, with one leading provider showing the largest single outflow of about $220 million, followed by another at roughly $7.5 million, a third at $75.7 million, and another major participant at $9 million. Interestingly, one smaller product stood out with a small positive inflow of around 600,000, but overall, the day leaned negative. Compared to the previous session, where combined flows were also weak, this suggests that short-term sentiment from institutional products remains cautious. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.